In Romania, auroras were seen in January. Why? 1. There was a coronal mass ejection. 2. This in turn produced a strong geomagnetic storm. 3. The electrically charged particles from the solar wind ended up hitting the upper atmosphere even at lower latitudes, such as Ukraine or Poland. 4. The upper reddish part of the atmosphere at high altitudes became visible to the north even from Romania due to the oxygen emissions lighting up at very high altitudes above approximately 200 kilometers. 5. In many of the photos, the red appeared more intense than in reality because the camera gathered light over time. Longer exposure, higher International Organization for Standardization and Additional Processing. An example is the evening of January 19, 2026, and the night of November 5-6, 2023, when many photos appeared on social media, especially from Transylvania and Moldova. In such cases, the camera, with a longer exposure and higher sensitivity, captures the colors much better than the naked eye. What were the causes? Episodes of increased geomagnetic activity related to intense solar wind and disturbances of the magnetosphere. Fortunately for people on the ground, auroras are not directly dangerous. The energy is dissipated high up in the atmosphere, so they remain a sign of a geomagnetic storm, which can affect satellites, global positioning system radio communications, and even power grids. The northern lights visible from Romania are not a miracle nor something paranormal. It's physics, but also technology. The same phenomena occurred 1,000 years ago, but people didn't have mobile phones and advanced cameras to photograph them. The approximate duration of these storms can vary from a few hours to several days. The maximum effects are often around midnight, and for Romania, it's worth checking the direction to the north in an area without artificial light. Personally, I checked it 3 hours after the recent event, but I didn't see anything. If you saw something, please write it in the comments. In the end, I want to thank those who support me, here and on Patreon. On Patreon, you can get direct answers to your questions. Until next time. I am Cristian Presura, Physics Explained. You are cool. All the best. Goodbye.